Slide over, making moves in English. Hey, language enthusiasts! Today, we'll be diving into a commonly used English phrase, slide over. If you've ever wondered about its meaning and how to use it in conversations, this is your chance to find out. Let's slide right into it. At its core, slide over is a casual request or command asking someone to move or shift, usually to make space for another person. The word slide gives a visual imagery of a smooth, effortless movement, often sideways. Here's a simple scenario to illustrate. Imagine you're on a bench and there's enough space for someone else to sit next to you. If they wanted to sit, they might ask, "Can you slide over a bit?" Here, they're kindly asking you to move to make some room for them. 1. In a physical space, as described above, you might be asked to slide over on a seat, bench, or couch. It's a polite way to ask someone to move without making it sound too demanding. 2. In digital scenarios, in the world of tech, slide over can also refer to moving or dragging a window, tab, or app on a computer or smartphone screen. For example, can you slide over that image to the left on the presentation? 3. In casual speech, sometimes, slide over can be used more figuratively, like when asking someone to share their thoughts or pass on some information. E.g., slide over the details when you can. Understanding synonyms can help you diversify your vocabulary. Some similar phrases to slide over include move over, shift over, scoot over. All these phrases convey a similar meaning, but slide over carries a more casual and smooth undertone. And there we have it. Slide over is a versatile phrase that can be used in various contexts, from asking someone to make physical space to moving things digitally or even sharing thoughts. The next time you hear or see this phrase, you'll know exactly what it means and how to respond. We hope this video has enriched your English vocabulary. Keep sliding through your language learning journey, and see you in the next video.